How to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. So in order to deactivate your Instagram account, all you need to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, you have to go ahead and check for an update, and after that you need to open up your Instagram application. So once you're logged into your account, make sure that you're logged in with the same account that you wish to deactivate, and click on the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner of your screen, and then it's going to direct you to the profile page. Right on this page, you need to tap on tab bar icon from the top right hand side corner. After that, you need to scroll down right to the bottom, and after that you need to tap on account center from the top, and here you need to scroll down a bit and go to personal details. Once you click on personal details, then you'll be provided with different options. Go ahead and tap on account ownership and control. Then you'll be provided with two different alternatives, that is either to memorialize or deactivate or deletion. Select deactivate or deletion. Select the account that you actually wish to deactivate, and then click on the continue button if you're sure about it. Next page is going to ask you to type in the password for the identity verification. So go ahead and enter in your password, and you have successfully deactivated your Instagram account. So that's basically how you can deactivate Instagram account temporarily. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.